Greek salad hummus flatbread. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 0 minutes. Yield 2 to 3. Description: this bright and colorful Greek salad hummus flatbread is perfect as an appetizer or a healthy lunch or snack. Ingredients: 2 non-flatbreads, 3/4 cup grape tomatoes, halved, 1/3 cup cucumber, diced, 1/4 cup green bell pepper, diced, 3 Kalamata olives, chopped, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon Frontier Co-op oregano leaf dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 cup hummus, 1/2 tablespoon crumbled feta cheese. Instructions: toast non-bread in toaster or toaster oven. Set aside. In a medium bowl, combine tomatoes, cucumber, green pepper, olives, olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, salt, and pepper. Toss to combine. Spread hummus onto each non-bread. Divide the salad mixture on top of the hummus. Sprinkle with feta cheese, slice and serve.